I fall asleep at night, and I wonder if you're real or a trick of the mind. Your voice is quiet, but I feel it resonate in my throat like it's mine.